At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Oh, hang on. Hello, Mr. Murray.
Hey, this is Mr. Murray. Yes, sir. Okay. How can I help you, sir?
Well, I have a judge. As I was saying, I don't know. I mean, I feel a little safer if this was on a recorded line but I know we're on your cell phone. But um, can we do this on a recorded line? Because this judge is questioning my integrity and implying that I've threatened someone, and I kind of want everything to be recorded.
You asked me, can you record the phone call?
Well, yeah, this call is being recorded, yes. But I'm
okay. Understood. Yes, sir. I understood you recording.
But I was just, I was hoping that it was being recorded on the federal side, so that I have a document generated in the ordinary course of business that's presumably admissible if anything comes up. But
I got you. I have no way of recording it, but you can go ahead. I'm listening to you. Yes,
okay. By the way, I see you're from Memphis. Are you originally from Memphis?
No, I've worked in this. I just kept the same cell phone. So.
Oh, okay. Because my folks are from Trenton.
Okay, yeah, I've heard of Trenton there. Yes, yeah, I worked in Texas. Then I went to work in Memphis for a while, and that's Trenton, Tennessee. You talking about?
Yeah, about 80 miles. About 80 miles out. You got to go across Dyersburg, Humboldt.
Oh yeah, I've been to all of them.
Milan.
Milan, little small towns up that way. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I know you're talking about. Oh yeah, just north of Humboldt. I got you.
Yep. That's right. Yeah, they were about the same age as Ike and Tina. They were around back then. Yeah.
Oh, all right. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
As a matter of fact, some friends of theirs own the Lorraine.
Oh, the Lorraine Motel in Memphis.
The Lorraine, yeah.
Oh, right. Yes, sir. It's pretty interesting, fascinating. They've upgraded a lot of upgrades there. It's like state of the art now.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Cool.
But anyway.
And who am I speaking to? I didn't get your name. I was passing through up to the front. Now, who am I speaking with?
Yeah, this is Christopher King, King, and I got this call. And Tago, are you still here?
Yes, I'm here.
Great. So I'm helping a friend of mine out, and he had a lawyer that's supposed to be helping him out. We got this guy. There's this real estate company, management company, that's really rude, and we have a guy who assaulted Tago, came in there with firearms and dropping nigger bombs, all this stuff, man. And so anyway, he had these lawyers, 2 different lawyers who were supposed to be helping him, and they really weren't doing anything. So bottom line was, I was allegedly going to be working with one of these lawyers, and he failed to zealously...
You have reached the maximum time permitted for recording your message.
That was the
if
other...
If you're satisfied with the message, press 1. To listen to to send your message with normal delivery, press 1. Thank you. Your message has been sent.
Okay.
I'm still here.
Yeah. So anyway, so I wrote a declaration and filed it in the court saying, hey, there's a number of things I've been watching in this case. As a journalist, I'm watching these things, and this doesn't sit well with me. And so there's massive corruption going on in this case, sir. And then she calls me right off the bat and says, I understand you're attempting to represent this man. And blah. I said, I'm not doing any such thing. I says, I've never represented that I'm representing Tago, that I'm filing things on his behalf. I'm filing a declaration as to what I saw. And that's it.
I see.
And so she said, well, the judge, and then, by the way, the judge refused to give me her name. I just got the name from the clerk. The clerk said, Judge Cannon will be calling you. And so this judge said, knock it off. If I hear, and she said, I'm reporting this to the U.S. Marshals. And I said, you know what? I said, I'm calling the U.S. Marshals. I'm a journalist. I have a right to say what I said. And yeah.
I got you. Yes, sir. I'm following you on this.
So
yeah, I understand you're saying. You say you're not legally representing. You're saying you just you filed something on his behalf, right? That you're saying?
No, I filed something. I mean, on behalf of justice, but it's just my observation that he can say, because I'm working with his lawyer, and I have all the emails with his lawyer. And she says, I'm forwarding all these emails, and I says, well, go ahead. I mean, what about the things that they never provided him? He went to half of a deposition, for example, all right? And they still haven't provided him any of the documents from the deposition. And because there's a document, Tago, explain what happened that you're still waiting for one of the exhibits. Explain to him about the Jew bug thing.
Oh, yeah. So they photoshopped to make me look like I'm anti-Semitic, so a word that I've never used in my life. And then when I got to my office, I researched on my Facebook to see that conversation that they screenshotted me, and I noticed that they'd photoshopped me on that, and then admitted that on the deposition. So I reached out to my attorney, former attorney, and told him, like, could you please ask them to send me that document that they showed us as evidence, and they just keep ignoring me. My own attorney ignored me, he ignored me, and there's so many other things. It's so corrupt in this matter that Chris has been helping me. You know, he used to practice law, and he's just been an advisor to me. And so, at this point, I guess he just got really frustrated because they're trying to, they're trying to just bomb rush me and get away with murder. This guy came with an assault weapon, threatened my life, did some terroristic acts towards some children that was in the building. It was horrible, and he's trying to get away with it. So,
and his lawyer,
they're trying to cover that up.
And his lawyer's not even interviewing anybody. That's the thing. That's why I know it's corrupt. His lawyer has people standing there who were present. He hasn't called one of them. And when I interviewed this lawyer, he was going to do all of that. And so that's what I put in the declaration as to why this guy just took a dive. And I says, no, I talked to his lawyer. He's supposed to do these things that would help the case, but he didn't do a single one of them.
I'm following you. Yes, sir. I got you.
So basically what they do is they create a false narrative, convince judges that, hey, these guys are wrong, they're doing wrong. They actually managed to get me evicted out of my business illegally. And this just happened recently. And now they're trying to get me out of the lawsuit that I filed against this slumlord.
Yes,
so
sir.
They're using dirty tactics, muddying the waters because they know the case is so strong on my side. So they're trying every means necessary to intimidate, threaten, witness intimidation. Now they're going after Chris too. So
I'm following you. It's crazy. Yes, so far I haven't gotten a call from any judges or anything. I am listening to you though. But I've listened to your side of the story, and like I said, no one has contacted us at this point.
Can they do that just because somebody wants to fight for justice? They call the marshals and come arrest the guy? Is that illegal? No, I don't. I mean, unless we have the data, unless there's an order or something that's we don't just know. We don't just go out and arrest somebody just because they're making a complaint or something like that. And yeah, so we most of the time, like I said, we work on like there's some kind of court order in place. We enforce those orders, but I do get like people call all the time to complain about something, but that's just a normal day for us, But
yeah.
I'm sure it has to be thoroughly investigated, and
Right, exactly.
I got you.
He's just trying to scare us. That's all.
I got you. Yes, sir. I see what you're saying. But no problem. But it's but like I said, no one has gotten. Like I said, I haven't gotten any call. I'm one of the supervisors in the office today, and but I sorry you guys going through all that there. Hopefully everything get worked out. But,
it's crazy.
Yeah.
It's money and power.
That's what you're saying.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Money and power.
It is. It really is. So, I'm sorry, Mr. Murray, what's your first name in case anything goes further? I can say that we called and spoke with you.
Trayon, Trayon.
Okay.
And it's Murray, Murray.
Terrific.
I'm in this Atlanta office here. Yes, sir.
All right, sir. All right.
All right. I'm gonna have to go though, but like I said, I did listen to you, and like I said, I hadn't gotten any calls from anybody.
Yeah, she said she was gonna forward the emails.
Yes, sir. So I'm sure, like I said, as long as we do, I reach out and return calls, and like when we spoke to, like, my cell number, but Well, I'll be in touch if somebody calls me,
Okay.
just relay the info.
For sure. For sure.
And thank you, guys.
Yeah, we just wanted to call you just to let you know that if you get this something across your desk, it's completely ridiculous, and there's just no way would I ever threaten it. It's just crazy. But we wanted to reach out to you so you could say, "Wait a minute, no, this guy was forthcoming, called me right away, told me everything," and I have. If you have any questions, I'll be here for you. Do you have my number showing on your phone there?
Yes, that other last four is 8085.
That is correct. Copy.
Okay, copy. This is Mr. King's number, or?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, Mr. Okay, I got you. Well, thank you. No, I save it here. Thank you, sir.
All right, copy. Be well.
Thank you all. You're welcome. Bye.
Yeah, they're just trying to scare us, man.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, well, that's going to be very interesting. So I'm going to turn the recording off. I got 2 recordings of this.